What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be unboxing the Elgato HD60X. Let's get right into the video. Actually, before we get into the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. If you're new, this is my first video on my channel. I'll be uploading video game gameplay. So let's unbox the Elgato. I may have to set this down for a second. There we go. As you guys know, Elgato is one of the most popular capture cards around. It's been one of the most popular for years now, so I decided to get myself one because I'm starting a new YouTube channel, which I will be uploading video game gameplay on, such as NBA, GTA, and other games like that. So this is what you get once you take it out of this box right here. You get another box, and this box you open. Tells you everything about the capture card, how to hook it up right here. More tutorials, and then there's a little paper on top, and here's the device itself, the capture card. It's pretty small. It's like the size of my hand, not even. Fits in your hand. It's like the size of half of my hand, so my hands are pretty small. So there's the capture card that comes in it. This is my first time opening this box. And then a USB-C cable that probably goes into here in the computer, I'm guessing. And then it comes with one HDMI cable. So you're gonna need one of your own HDMI cables, I'm assuming. Yes, you need two HDMI cables, which everyone usually has one that goes in their Xbox that they can use, and then one that comes with this. And then what's this? There's a sticker that comes with it, an Elgato sticker, and then a little book pad thingy that tells you instructions or stuff about the Elgato HD60X. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel since all of you are new. Since this is my first YouTube video, I'll be uploading more NBA videos, FIFA videos, UFC, GTA. So if you guys are into all of that, make sure you subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. And I will be doing a $1,000 giveaway once I hit 10,000 subscribers, so make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. And this was the Elgato HD60X unboxing video. I will be doing more unboxing videos on this channel too, such as the Blue Yeti that I still have to open. So see you guys in that next video. Peace.